Rakesh. I've done my graduation from East Point College of Engineering, and I'm working in Novotech Robo for a period of 1.2 years. And I'm going to explain you about the Arduino microcontroller, which is the advanced microcontroller at present. So I just have an Arduino microcontroller in my hand. So you can see this Arduino microcontroller IC, that's an Arduino Uno Atmega 328. It's called as an Atmega 328, and we have an 12 input output pins, digital input output pins, as you can see here, from pin number 2 to pin number 13, and we have a transmitter and receiver pins here, so that you can use for this as for the serial communication for connecting your Zigbee or Bluetooth. And you have an I2C protocols. You can use this board for an I2C protocols. So we have a serial clock and serial data pins over here, and this Arduino Uno microcontroller has an analog input connection, so that you can connect your sensors to an Arduino Uno microcontroller through an, we have an analog pins that is from A0 to A5, that so that it's 6 analog input pins we have, so that it is being internally converted into digital through an ADC and given to an Arduino Uno. And we have some voltages like 5 volts and 3.3 volts, and here you can see this is an power pin or a power cord, so that you can give a power for an adapter. And we have a regulator 7405, so it regulates to a 5 volts, and we have an USB connection port, so you can dump the code through an USB cable to your Arduino Uno. And we have a reset button here, so that you can refresh your Arduino Uno. And you can see how here this is an Arduino code area, so we can write down the codes here. This is an code area we use, and in this and for example, I have taken an LED blink example program. So in this we have a set of procedure for writing in codes in Arduino Uno, that is like initializations and the void loop. So you should give an initialization commands in the void setup, and the loop program can be written in the void loop. It acts as a main, so it always executes in the loop. This is called as a void loop, and this is called as a void setup, where we define a pin in LED output. And void loop, we define whatever the actions what we require, like LED it's glowing for an high for period of 1 second and period of low for 1 second. This makes an LED to glow high for 1 second and low for 1 second. And this is all about working with an Arduino microcontroller.